Good morning. As you can see, I'm doing a cleaning vlog. Apparently, it's my annual leave this week, so I'm trying to make the most of it. Here I go, trying to fit my outfit, and it's difficult for me to put it on together because I'm getting bigger, I think. But anyway, let's get the show on the road. You notice that I have a vest jacket inside because it is so cold pa rin kahit na it's spring. So just to protect myself because it's windy outside and it did rain apparently this past few days. So yun. So enjoy watching. You can see I bought my bucket or bowl, the brush, and a cleaner, which is an ordinary cleaner that you can use in the kitchen. So I'll link all the cleaning tools on my description box below. I'm trying to brush my swing, my egg chair. As you can see, it's loads of crabs there. Mga parang green leaves, old leaves and stuff like that. Icky, yucky, and molds at the same time. So trying to brush as much as possible. Surprisingly, there's a plane above me flying, and it's so amazing to see. Well, for now, back to where we're doing cleaning my egg chair. Now I'm spraying, as you can see, the anti-mold cleaner. Ashtonish is the name. You can buy it online or you can buy it on your local store. I bought it in Poundland. It's much cheaper there. Look, the sun is shining. It's amazing to see. I'm trying to reach out all the dirt using a used toothbrush, or if you have a smaller or finer brush, then you may use that. Kasi ang daming mga dumi. So you have to remove it all. magtataka kayo kung bakit hindi ko tinanggal yung cover kasi siguro from others mas madaling linisin, but as you can see, my eggshell is a bit complicated dahil nakakabit kasi yung fiber niya, yung parang cloth niya. So I cannot remove it as it is. So what I do is just clean it as it is na lang. Now the next step is I'm going to clean all of the chairs. By the same thing, use the brush and then the cleaner and try to thoroughly brush it. Some of you are questioning maybe why I didn't use any pressure cleaner, the one that they use in cars and pavements. First of all, it's expensive. Secondly, it's nice to do it manually kasi mas mabilis at saka it's cleaner for me to do. Now, on the next day, hello, good morning, I'm going to clean the back garden. Sa baba naman ito. So, usually dito kami nagiinuman or barbecue, ganun. So, I'm trying to remove the dirt first, and then after that, I have to use the cleaners, same as what I did yesterday. Maybe you're wondering, what am I using? We call it in the Philippines Walis ting. It's the same as the broomstick usually used in cleaning outside. This is just only one of our best cleaning tool in the Philippines. Luckily, we bought it one of the Asian stores. I think it is in Birmingham or in London last time. Maybe you're wondering why I'm using a raincoat and a jacket inside on my raincoat. It's because it's still cold and the weather is not good, though I need to keep it up and clean as much as possible because you never know, the weather here is unpredictable, so we just get along and carry on. This time I used brush and a soap. I think it's the Flash, I think. And then I used the Ashtonish Antimold cleaner. It's like a bleach apparently, so it's good. you can scrub it all over. I'm using a brush, steel brush, to remove the dirt, yung green na parang madulas. It is good in scrubbing, as you can see. Then I poured it with water and soap and the Ashtonish cleaner. Tried to scrape again. Look how easy it is to remove the stain. Though kailangan talaga ng tiyaga kasi nga mahirap. Ayun nyo lang na brush, and as you can see, natatanggal na yung dirt, yung green, Ilocano, ladog ang tawag namin yun. Although it will take time, yun nga lang. Then we'll see the result once it's poured with water. See, balik sa dati niya. You can do this in the fresher cleaner, but as I said earlier, it's expensive at saka it's not hindi siya kumbaga everyday use or every month to use. Sayang lang kasi yung pera pagka bumili ka ng bagay na ganun. No, it is good naman talaga. But anyways, here I am again cleaning, brushing and spraying with this antimold cleaner. Ganun pa rin ang sistema. As you can see, I'm trying to reallocate the plants. Inag-ayos ako at the same time after cleaning the part where I removed the dirt.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
tried to clean up, but I can't because it was raining already. So I will do this one next time on my next project. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and click the notification bell, and see all my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for following my channel. Hopefully we can have 100 subscribers very soon.